Hello foodies, welcome to my channel. This is Raksha here with another new easy home recipe. Today I'm gonna make chicken tikka masala, which is everyone's favorite dish. And these are the ingredients. I'm gonna start with marinating and frying chicken, followed by sauce preparation. For marinating chicken, I am using 800 grams of boneless skinless chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. Add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Add 1.5 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Now let's mix it well and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes. You can marinate it for 10 minutes to an hour or even overnight. Heat oil in a large skillet or pot over medium-high heat. Add chicken pieces in batch of 2 or 3. Make sure not to crowd the pan. Fry until brown for 3 minutes on each side. After 3 minutes, let's turn the chicken to the other side. So let it get cooked for another 3 minutes. Now let's shift the chicken to the plate and let's fry the second batch. Fry the next batch in the sauce. To the same skillet, I am adding 2 tablespoons melted butter. And let's fry onions in it. I have minutely chopped 1 big onion, so I'm adding it to the oil. Let's fry it until it's light brown. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And saute it well. Add 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin. One teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of coriander. Let's saute it. Stir it occasionally for about 20 seconds. Add 400 grams of tomato puree. And stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and let's add salt to taste. Let's saute it well and then allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it in the medium flame and close the lid. Add 1 cup of thickened cream or heavy cream. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Add 1/4 cup of water and let it cook. While frying the chicken, there was an extra sauce and I just stored it and now I'm adding it too. Let's add the fried chicken and saute it well. And allow it to cook for 10-15 minutes. Let's garnish it with coriander leaves. Now our chicken tikka masala is ready. Please try and let us know how it tastes in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.